Hey, so I am here with Adam with Ecobee, and he's going to go over some of the newer products from Ecobee, the Ecobee Lite, the Smart Thermostat Enhanced, and the Smart Thermostat Premium, and what the differences and features are. So take it away, Adam.
All right. We have three models here, the Ecobee 3 Lite, the Enhanced, and Premium. Most recently, we've launched the Enhanced and Premium Thermostat, and as you move up the range, you're getting some additional features for the professional contractor in particular. So as we go to the Enhanced model, obviously we have a new industrial design that you see both in the Enhanced and the Premium, with a touch interface, super easy to change temperature.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
Yeah, really smooth. Really easy to change your settings, whether you're using heat, cool, auto, or you want to run that auxiliary heat. We also have weather data on these devices, and that's actually on all Ecobee devices, and we use that and the indoor temperature to do sort of predictive temperature management.
Okay.
This particular model has support for one accessory input, so if you have a humidifier, a dehumidifier, or an air exchanger that has one wire, you'll be able to use this product. And so you can see that's the first step. Then when we go up to our premium model, this is our flagship device, and it has a lot of the features you see in this enhanced product, but it's got a few really neat things. One of the ones we talk about a lot is this indoor air quality monitoring. So we provide a simple score between clean and poor. We have a VOC and a CO2 sensor in this device. And if you have an accessory connected to this, and you can do one wire accessory or one 2-wire accessory with this device, we will actually run and automate the air exchanger to push fresh air into the home.
Okay.
If you do not, we'll make recommendations on other ways to improve that air.
My experience with the Ecobee 3 Lite, this a typical system that we work on in North Carolina is either gas or an air-to-air heat pump. This can do a 2-stage gas, 2-stage air conditioning, 2-stage heat pump with electric heat.
Yep.
I'm correct. Now there is not any accessory, so if you're not using a remote sensor or humidity control, then this is just a great thermostat that will pretty much work on any system that you're going to see in a typical house in my market.
So all of the devices will work with the Ecobee remote sensors. The premium one will have one in the box.
Right,
The
that's
other
what
ones
I
can be
meant.
bought purchased in 2 packs. But a few really can help with that.
Awesome. So the 1-wire accessory, and the way we used to get around that is that's going to send out 24 volts, and if you need that to close a set of contacts, then you would just wire that to a relay, catch a common somewhere, and now that relay closes, it can turn on a humidifier, dehumidifier, whatever you need to set up to do. The 2-wire is really great because you can actually turn that into your set of dry contacts, and that's like your enable signal. The indoor air quality aspect of that, you said it's measuring VOCs and carbon dioxide. Is it measuring true carbon dioxide, or is it doing like a conversion from VOCs? Do you?
No, it's got its own dedicated, so it's got 2 sensors. We've got a VOC and a CO2.
Gotcha. Does it do anything with particulate matter?
No. Generally, you need like airflow in order to be able to do that, and these are more like an ambient
Right,
sensor.
yeah, it's hard to read particulate matter when it's not like a duct inserted.
Yeah. So you can use Ecobee to start the conversation on this stuff, which we think is really valuable. But we also are very aware of the limitations because you're reading at a thermostat level.
Yeah.
We're not going to replace, and we should just be very complementary to what other people's IAQ products are, and that's really what we try.
Okay. Also, from what I understand, is it just a Smart Thermostat Premium has the ability to listen for a smoke detector and do something with that?
Yeah. So this device, because it has voice-enabled assistant, also has the microphones in it.
Okay.
And so we are able to listen for a smoke or CO2 alarm.
The problem is my mother-in-law's voice sounds a lot like the smoke detector. So, no, I'm just kidding. I love my mother-in-law. She's great. And I understand you've got some things coming in the future with integration with Generac.
You could actually integrate the Ecobee with Mobile Link, and you will be able to see the status of your generator on the thermostat.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, and we also do propane tank monitoring. So one of our partner companies, which is called Tank Utility, they have a propane tank monitoring solution. Many of the generators run on natural gas, but they also run on propane.
Yes, they do. Yeah, in rural areas, yeah.
And so you want to know what that fuel level is in the event that you have a blackout.
Right.
And so the thermostat will show you the status of that tank level and notify you if you are going to go.
That's a great feature because customers are probably more likely to look at their thermostat than they are their propane tank or maybe the status screen on their Generac generator. So they're more likely to get those alerts at their thermostat and do something about it earlier.
100%. And so if you're interested in using it for energy management, some of the products that Generac does, you're also going to find a multitude of things that you can do with their products and our products.
Great.